One of Asia's biggest crypto lenders is targeting a $100 million fund, or in funding, $100 million in funding, despite the industry chaos caused, of course, by the collapse of FTX. If successful, the funding round would value Matrixport at $1.5 billion US. For more on this, I'm joined by Bloomberg crypto reporter Suvashree Ghosh in Singapore. Suvashree, what do we know about the discussions on the fundraising? The timing is interesting, to say the least.
Indeed, it is. And firstly, let me just give a quick brief about Matrixport. Matrixport is a crypto lender based out of Singapore. They are backed by investors like DST Global and Tiger Global, and now they are looking to raise $100 million at a valuation of $1.5 billion. We understand that the first $50 million of funding is tied up. They are still looking for another $50 million to be committed from investors. That's the update that we have regarding the deal. However, I want to add that Matrixport has said they have no risk of insolvency from FTX, but there are clients that they have who have exposure to FTX related products. So that's the summary of Matrixport as a lender which is looking to raise funds in this stormy market.
Okay, and that detail is important. How likely is it that they're actually going to be able to raise this money? How much appetite is there to lend to this sector? What are we seeing?
A very good question, Tom, because VCs, the venture capital that we are seeing, are pretty reluctant to put in fresh money as we are looking around the world, where crypto markets are the confidence in the crypto market is pretty shaken, right? And we have seen that the overall digital assets market is also pretty low in confidence. It's weak overall. So yes, it will be an uphill task for Matrixport to raise this kind of money at a valuation of more than $1 billion. So yes, it will take time, may be challenging, and we don't know what the eventual fundraising amount will be. It is tough times now to raise funds for anybody in this market.
I'm looking at crypto, Bitcoin right now, down 0.7%, but holding above 16,000. Suvashree, what are you and the team looking at and monitoring in the days ahead more broadly within the crypto sector as we continue to monitor the fallout of FTX?
Absolutely, and we are all actually, this is a very good question, we are all looking at the contagion effect, because as you rightly mentioned, the Bitcoin market is still steady but weak. We are near the bottom of the market. Nobody knows what kind of more bad news can come out, but yes, we are looking at Genesis, BlockFi, this kind of companies which are not able to raise funds. They are imminent in terms of bankruptcy concerns. So more bad news, more contagion, more concerns from the FTX fallout. These are the concerns that we have and we are looking out for in the weeks ahead.